In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram story like option not showing problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next, log out and log in back. Launch Instagram, head over to settings and activity page, scroll all the way down, click on log out, confirm it, then wait for a few minutes and log in back. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, check for account restrictions. For that, click on three bars given at the top right. Once we're in settings and activity page, scroll all the way down until you find the option of account status. Once you find it, click on it. If your account has temporary restrictions or is using an older app version, some features may not be available. If this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. Likewise, you can wait for a feature to roll out. Instagram often releases features gradually. Some accounts may receive updates later than others. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.